Today I'm going to show you an example of using resin 3D printer in our daily life. This is an AC manifold. Its knobs were broken. It's a shame to throw it away, so I decided to print 2 new knobs for it. First, I need to make some measurements, and then I can use those measurements in the 3D design software. The software I use is Autodesk Fusion 360. It is free for non-commercial use. I'm not going into the detail of the design, so here is the results. I just show you how it works. I exported it in the STL format. Then it can be loaded into Chitubox. It is a 3D slicer. I'm making a copy of the object so I can print 2 in one shot. You can see here is the layer by layer exposure. The resin 3D printer I use is called Elegoo Mars, and I'm using a gray UV resin. Since the resin is UV sensitive, so it's important to keep the cover on during the printing. The print is done in about an hour. Then I wash it with isopropyl alcohol. After wash, it's already in very good shape. The last step, I'm going to cure it with a homemade UV chamber. Here is the final result. It works perfectly as we designed. If you like my video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thank you.